Okay, I'm back. Um, so sorry, just trying to think. These edibles are very strong. Oh my god, it's awesome. How could we- so yeah, did I run a deep research? Okay, so what I asked, oh no. Alright, so it didn't attach the PDF, so it's not a huge problem. Um, anyway, I'm running low. I don't know. Oh, I have 5 more reports I can generate. That's enough for me to generate a full guide, a full ebook that's not shit. And this other ebook's done on ChatGPT, so I'll save that one. I won't show that. That wasn't really relevant. Alright. And then I'm just going to have Gemini start its research process. So what I asked it to do was I wanted it to generate, talk about some research in the guides that I had, but it detached the PDFs because they were too large, I think. But I wanted to explore how citizen science and crowdsourcing can be used to basically improve this synthetic data generation process. These are 2 topics that I'm interested in as a scientist, I guess. So I'm going to wait. I guess that's a short clip. I won't clip that whole part. I guess I could talk about how this synthetic data generation process is important. Synthetic data is needed because the world is basically running out of real, like, functional data sets. Not functional. What's the word? Quality isn't the word. I don't know what the word is. The world is running out of, like, curated data sets. That's the word. Um, and that is a problem because the world is becoming more dependent on data. So these models are already trained on internet data and they're very good at mixing up data. So I figured that you could use LLMs to mix up data. Um, and this crowdsourcing idea came from the premise that like citizen science efforts have been used basically to crowdsource like natural science data. So that is one topic. that I'm interested in as well. Start another ritual as I wait. Gemini is going to take a while. I need to come up with another topic. I had one in my head, but I lost it. Just like the other one. It'll take a second. I'll go back to ChatGPT. Whoa, 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 whoa. All right. All right. I'm going to turn on deep research. Do I have 5 topics? Do I have enough topics left in my head about synthetic data? Think, Emmett, think. This one will be kind of boring, but it's basically like how one can ensure quality control with these LM generated data sets. Alright, and ChatGPT is running me through the loop of asking me to clarify stuff. Okay. It asked me. It actually gave me a good idea. So I also think that on top of this data farming idea and ensuring quality, you could use LLMs like respectable LLMs to ensure that the responses make some sort of sense for training. So ChatGPT is getting that process started, and I will make another clip. Part 2 done.